school is from is in Fort Greene. There's a lot of gang violence and also domestic violence. So we wanted to also do something that we could relate to. We helped, I believe it was school or church. They were rebuilding it, so we helped with putting towels and painting. Talked to the kids at the Beacon program and spoke to them about stopping the violence and what are the positive things to do other than violence, finding other ways to deal with situations. So yeah, that was fun.
All the fans, we love you. Heartbeats.
Thank you for voting for us. Heartbeats.
And stop the violence, people. Okay?
Seriously, read the shirts.
Stop the violence.
Stop. Alright, that's what I did too. Stop.